Okay, we now get making another movie here. We have the latest update on the Vernon Smart solar energy metering system, designed to meter and provide all the information you need on a grid-tied solar or wind system. Over here, under the words Vernon Smart Solar, is the information that the device puts on a web page for you to view anywhere in the world. Right now I'm just using the power supply voltage, just running the 5 volts into the DC measuring circuit, and I have a little divider there that gives me a millivolt reading to simulate DC amps. Basically 10 amps is 10 millivolts, so what will come off the shunt. And of course it's calculating the watts and presenting that. And then we have the AC parameters. It reads 119.99 volts, 0.98 amps, and it is calculating the AC watts by the differentiation of energy measure. And that value comes out of the energy register. You can see it, I've had it on for a while, and it's reading 0.01 kilowatt hours right now. That accumulates the kilowatt hours. Okay, just as a demonstration of accuracy, I have a Keithley 6.5 digit 0.05% lab meter hooked up to it. Notice it says 119.98 there. It says 119.99 here. Very close. Just to demonstrate this is not just a fluke at one level, let me crank up the voltage here. Okay. I now have 139.89 volts that I'm applying to it, and over here it says 139.92. Very close. You'll find that error is much less than 0.1%. Okay, just to show the if the voltage was lower than nominal, let me go down here and let's pick up 80 volts. Probably wouldn't work at 80 volts, but just to show what you get at 80 volts, you get 80.201 on the Keithley, 80.20 on the Vernon Smart Solar. So you can see this really offers 0.05% accuracy class readings, and the thing about that is you can read it anywhere in the world. You can read the voltage of your house and home while you're on vacation in China. And of course, this is key to the accurate metering of your the solar energy you're generating. Okay, I'm going to crank the voltage back up to the usual 120. Okay, there we got the voltage back. The watts takes a while. The watts is a differentiated measurement, and it takes 45 seconds nominally to acquire the watts before the watts will come back up to the nominal 117 value there. Okay, looking over here at what else we have here. This is the SSR78 relay test set that generates nice stable voltages and current, so we can calibrate the meter. Up here is the 4x20 line display, which is basically giving you the same information that you have online. This is the completed circuit board. You see the processor module. I have the VDM pod. This ribbon cable is the VDM pod. That's used to download software to the flash. So that's how you program it through that connection back there. This here is the ADE chip, and I've installed the pot for the solar panel voltage and various other, the instrument amplifier for the shunt, and the rail-to-rail amplifier to drive the microprocessor A to D. All components that were originally planned are now on the board and working. You see the CT and the PT over there. And back here, once again, connected by a hardwired serial cable at this point, is the mini server, the NetBurner server that places the data in a dynamic web page on the internet. This serial cable will be replaced by a wireless link once, of course, it's out in the yard attached to the solar panel. And that's about all we have for this update.